Alright, what's up? How's it going? Let's get some work done. Let's see, today's agenda. I want to try to make Froxes and Pyroflies more interesting to fight. So, let's see. So test world 1. Let's start with Pyroflies. Okay, let's see, where's my player reference? Guns are, yeah, there's my guns. Okay, cool. Alright, so got these. I just need to get Firefly in the scene. Okay, okay, so as it is right now, this it sees me, it lands next to you, and it shoots out a bunch of fire. Which is pretty easy to avoid. You can just shoot at it, and it dies, right? So that's boring. So what I want to do is maybe make it shoot a beam of fire at you. Let's see if I can do that. Where's the fire at? Fire area, okay. So this is the fire area. Hey, what's up, a banana peel? Not really. It was like last Wednesday I streamed. Okay, and then I could do like maybe cube. Let's try cylinder shape. I don't know if that would work. Me and who else did you tune in? What's up, Zodiac? Why does it say you're watching without video? What does that mean? I always wonder how it determines that. Oh, it's just a badge? Why does it give you a badge for that? So strange. Okay, so I'm gonna do tube ref. Let's do this form. Curious if this will work. Okay, so it's matching the position. So if I put this here, and I put you, I hate that. Come on. Just changes like the default snap so easily. Is it not aligned? No. Height, let's do 20. There we go, now it's aligned. Okay. So if I go like this, oh, it does not. Why is it? Oh, I see. Okay. So now if I, there we go. Okay. So I can do this and it'll scale out. And hopefully that will work. I don't know, X and Y, I guess. So we'll rotate on the Y, face the target, rotate on the X, face the target. I'm not remaking it. Oh, accessibility badge in case of ears, visual impairments. Oh, that's cool. Watching without video. They could clarify that, I feel like. I'm not remaking, I'm just adding, I'm making it more interesting to fight, I guess. So I'm gonna add like a tube of fire coming out basically. Because right now it sucks. It's like a really easy fight. So that's That's going to scale it. Okay, so there's a face to this one, I think. And that. Okay, so this one, we put it on local. Come on. Okay, there. I do it 90. And that hopefully will work. I'll have to check. Let's put in, I should put in a mesh instance for debugging. Cylinder. Oh, maybe I could just say height is 20. Yeah, that gives me the same one. About. Oh, there. There we go. Okay. There we go. Okay, so we got the beam showing up, and then I'm going to have it face the target. Yeah, before it was just run backwards, it wasn't very fun, so I want to make it have something you have to actually dodge now. What if I put, oh, what if I did a tube, and then I put just a flame effect on it, instead of using particles? Oh, that could look pretty cool, actually. I don't know. Let's just start with this and then figure out the damage, or the aiming. Is there a reset on this? I should have a reset. Okay, var starts basis. We'll see. There we go. Okay, so I have a reset there, and now I just need to get references to this. Rotation, and then scale reference. There we go. So then I have to, what do? I pass in face point, the point we want to face, and then our delta. And when we set, where is it? Where is set state? Set state shoot fire. We're gonna have reset and reset the tube rotation x dot reset and scale reference. You're going to go to scale of 1 dot scale equals vector3 dot 1. Okay, and now so let's see, we're gonna have it, so shoots fire, I forget how long, no, not 7 seconds. Shoot fire time, 3 seconds, okay. Maybe I'll change that to like 5 seconds, and then I can do some other stuff here. Current shoot fire time, okay. And then we'll do export var fire tube extend time. Let's see, I'll take 2 seconds to aim out or something. Oh, and here, can I set the speed? Wait, I feel like I'm not using the right script. Am I using the same script I used for face? Okay, I have one in here. I think this is the one I want, yeah. Wait, I need to get this. Alright, there we go. Alright, now we pass in that. Turn speed is already set, okay, or already a defined thing. Alright, we'll see how it looks. Then when we're in the process shoot fire state, enable fire. Play that. Spawn fire, yeah. Thanks, Novakid. Yeah, deadline, I mean, it's not like a hard deadline, but all I have to do is really buff Pyrify the Frox, fix the AI for this one enemy, newer enemy, add some more achievements, and polish up the final boss fight, and then I want to rework the Spine Cat fight. So I think I could polish up the enemy, the not boss fights. I think I could do all that today. That would be a big thing. Tomorrow I could finish the final boss fight, which it's almost done, and I could rework the Spine Cat fight. Probably could do that tomorrow, and then Wednesday I do all the achievements, and then I have 2 days to like finish the last bits. Oh, I forgot, I need to test out. Alright, write that out, I need to test Brogan's work. As long as I stay consistent and work hard, I should be able to do it. Should remember all that this works. Times 5. Okay, so if current shoot fire time is greater than that, we set state idle. Fire, here we go. What's going on with this? Oh, okay, so enable fire. Tube, and yeah, we need to have those disabled. Okay. Shoot fire prep time, I see. So it takes 1 second for that. Shoot fire time, so okay, I see. So the prep time will extend. Or will it? Well, let's not worry about this yet. So it'll prep. Okay, so on enable fire, we're gonna have it scale out, right? So we have the prep time. Okay, so shoot fire time. We're gonna say I want to do like var t equals our current time minus the shoot prep time. Okay. Then I need like the max scale, I guess, of that fire tube. It's gonna be tube scale equals, let's see if I on Z, that's not very far. What if I did 10? That's very far. And it will, oh, I should recast it, shouldn't I? Damn it, I'm gonna have to recast this, aren't I? Oh, I should have this at 1. What am I doing? Collision shape, you should have, what? No, not you. This. Should have a height of 1. Same with debug. Height of 1. And then, maybe I'll just make this child of this. The fire tube, here it is. Alright, and then we move it to 0.5. No. 0.5, negative 0.5. So then this, why are you over there? Okay. Wait, why is this wrong? You are at 0, yeah. Oh, just change position, right, because this needs to be a point. No, not you, this. Okay, negative, there we are. There we go, okay. Alright, so now if I scale it to like 10, it should have a range of 10, right? So if I go out here and I move it over here. Yeah, okay, good. Now the scale perfectly matches the range, okay. Then I can do, I want a raycast that just hits the environment. Okay, so I'll need a reference to that. Make sure it's enabled. I don't know why these aren't enabled by default. Okay, I'm in this state, process fire state. The whole time I want to ref into rotation X, face point to be set to, do I have the target position? Where is, how do I get a target reference again? Did we get target somewhere? Okay, here we are. Let's just see, actually, our target. Okay, so I want you. Yeah, let's just have a reference. I'm working on now, I'm improving like the enemies, I guess some of the enemies that are kind of boring to fight. So right now the Pyrofly, it just shoots out fire in all directions. So I want to add it in another mechanic where it shoots like a pillar of flame directly at you, so you actually have to dodge around stuff. That'll be a little more interesting. Okay. What was I just doing? Okay, so we have a target. There we go. Sub 7. So we have a target, so now we do dot face point target dot transform dot origin target position delta. There we go. Okay, so this should make it aim, but now I need to make it scale. So what if I just did t equals current shoot fire time divided by shoot fire time. So yeah. It's like it's 1 second for shoot out. Yeah, that's fine. Let's do shoot fire prep time. Clamp that 0 and 1. Then we're gonna say fire to max range equals, let's say 30. So we do that, and we're going to do lerp from 1 to that by lerp from there by t. Yeah, sure, whatever. Bar equals that. And we're going to say scale dot z equals that. Okay, and when I do enable fire, let's show that. Do I have that? Oh, I don't. Okay, I need a reference to that. Okay, so that should give me the scale. I'm not going to do collision yet. Just want to check this. Yeah, I am in Florida right now. I moved down a few weeks ago. It's pretty awesome. I have a lot of friends here. There's a lot going on. It's really cool. Fire tube. What the hell? Why is this not set? Fire area, fire tube. Do I not have this? Oh, it's just not. Well, that's stupid. Whatever. Ready's not running when it should. Okay, so what? Oh my god. Okay. Invalid get index scale on this. Oh, I don't want that. Where is it? Tube scale reference. That's what I meant. Okay, is it? No, it's not scaling. It is facing me, so that's something. But let's print this. I'm in Gainesville right now, so it's a little far from like Jacksonville and Miami and stuff. Okay, so it's saying the scale's right. Maybe it's just facing the wrong way. Can't really tell because it's turning so fast. Let's see. So scale reference dot z. Yeah. So like if that goes to 30, yeah, should be correct. Oh, that's not far enough for sure. That's all right for now. Let's make this go slower. So like, say 30 and 30. Okay, it's rotating phase. Yeah, it's just not scaling out. What's up with that? Is it just not matching it? I have the scale reference here. This should be fine, right? Why is it not scaling out? Is the reference getting messed up? What's up with that? Let's just print that out maybe. Scale. Print. I hate when something works perfectly in the editor and then you bring it in game, it just doesn't. Yeah, that's not changing scale at all. Why? What the hell? Like I can do this. What's up, Wayne Zach? Improving enemies, like, I guess, fighting mechanics. Oh, what are you doing? What is that? What is this? Why is it printing? 2 scale or... Oh, what the hell is this? Why does it give me an ad? Okay, that's what the problem is. Oh crap, I don't know what I just said there. There's scale reference. That's the problem. Alright, probably could have gotten rid of the print statements. Okay, that needs to move quicker. Okay. Let's make those things turn faster. Oh, now it just goes way too fast, huh? What if I could do first run, and then I could just have it automatically aim at you, and then it could just be less. So I could go back to 30. So we go up here. There, and then I say, there we go. All right, so we have the first frame tracked. If first bar d equals delta, if first fireframe d times equals 100. There you go. That way should just auto align instantly. And then we can just have it go slow after that. Recommend heading over to St. Pete whenever you want to live for St. Pete. Some friends who went there. I don't know anything that's down there though. Oh, now it's still too fast. Okay. So, still too fast. I'll make it 10 degrees rotation. Okay, there. Now it's moving really. Oh, maybe because when it locks onto you, it gets stuck. Because it just like locks on, and you can't escape it when it locks on because of a bug in my coding. Unless you like go fast enough to be able to jump out of it. Let's see. Yeah, see now it's like, oh, maybe it's not snapping me. That just might be a good speed, actually. Okay, that works. So let's have it go even farther. A range of, let's say, 80. I do not want it to go for the prep time. Let's have it go for the whole shoot fire time. So it'll be a little bit. So it takes some time to reach the max range. I like that. And it should, let's see, raycast. What is it? Fire to, what's this? What is this raycast called? Did I delete it? Oh, I think I accidentally deleted. Nope, there it is. Okay, two rate. All right, so we have our scale here that we want. Then we're gonna do dot is colliding. All right, so if it's colliding, we need to get to raycast dot collision. No, wait, is it? What's it called? Point? Get collision point. All right, so we get the collision point. And then we get the point, and then we get the range from that point to us or something. E dot distance to raycast dot origin. Okay, and bar, I don't know, d equals that. Distance, if distance is greater or less than the fire tube. It's less than that, then fire tube scale equals d. D is already defined. Whoops. Let's say distance. There we go. And we need to set the tube raycast to have dot z. No, what is it? Cast 2 dot z equals negative. What's the range value? Max range. There we are. So it should stop me. I go behind cover. Where is it? There it is. Okay, so cast. Oh, not negative. Yeah, I don't want negative. Okay, good thing I checked. Not that. Okay, so let's make sure it doesn't go behind that. Why is it not automatically? Oh, that sucks. It's like not auto aiming at me. I hate that. Okay, where is? There it is. So you see 10,000. Should, right? What's up, Funky Peep? Come on. And it just doesn't like, okay. Maybe it's a little too fast, I don't know. Ah, why doesn't it aim at me when I start? That's annoying. Or maybe I just say the made with Godosi. Oh, thanks. Yeah, the flash or splash screen. Yeah, I wanted to make a custom one because I got annoyed with the default. If I just make this huge, like a huge value, will it just instantly go? Come on. No, it just doesn't work. Okay. It's like, that's stupid. First frame, face point, turn them out. Like, this should be a huge turn speed and just automatically align, but it doesn't. Oh, because I never do this. Duh, I'm stupid. Okay. Never actually set it. I absolutely shredded Ghettos. It's like old fan art I did, I think, and I was like, alright, let's use it. Games from Scratch was like, I want to use that because it looks better than the default logo. Okay. Yeah, that works. Alright. You notice my cool stuff in the background, by the way? I got a bookshelf with all my books. And then, now it's like too fast, though. It needs to be like slightly slower. Just like barely can't outrun it. I guess when you're farther away, it's easier to avoid, but then when you get up close, it's hard to avoid. Or it's easy to avoid, but when you're farther away, it's hard to. Yeah, if it like catches you, then you're like stuck. Interesting. Maybe it should like reset or something. Yeah, maybe when it goes behind cover, it's got to reset so it can build up again. So it doesn't just instantly jump out. Okay, so current. 2 bobs at time maybe. So if it's colliding, if we do this, then we're gonna say equals current shoot fire time. Then we're gonna say current shoot fire time. And I'm gonna do this. So if I go there, it should start. Yeah, it is a flamethrower attack. I'm probably just gonna put like a dissolve shader on it or something. I think. Okay, so if I go behind cover, oh wait, there. Oh, just reset. Wait, that's not right. If it goes behind cover, I don't want it to completely reset. I just want to say stuck at its current time. So, fuck. How do I calculate that? So it's like, okay, so it's extending, and then it hits something and it should stay at that range. Maybe I should just have the range increase with time, but it should not increase. Okay. Okay, I know, that's what I'll do instead of lerping it up. That's kind of dumb. Alright, so fire tube scale. I will do equals 0. Okay, there we are. Fire tube scale. So that gets set to something. Don't need you. So we're gonna do plus equals, I don't know, increase, I don't know, range increase. Increase rate. Well, let's say it increases by 10 a second, alright? So we're gonna do plus equals that times delta. And if it hits something, we just restrict it. That's smarter. There we go. How do I do testing? Yeah, I mean, I just set up a scene where it does what I want. And then when the game's done, I get a QA person to play through it. Okay. And then it, yeah, there we go. That's cool. yeah, you can see it like has to glow. That's cool. Okay, there we go. All right, so that's good. That works how I want it to work. Now, let's do, I think I should add a little buffer, like so it gets like an extra 5 units, so it'll clip into things a little bit. Fire tube range buffer equals 5. We're gonna say if distance plus that is less than the buffer, so that way it'll go like a little clip in a little bit. Now for the this, I could just do, let's see the graphics. Let's do a new material. Let's do a shader material. Let's find explosion. I think I have a good shader here I could use. Fire particles? No, I don't think that's it. Oh, that is actually what I want. I think this could work. Okay, so we get copy you, and we're going to paste you over here, and make unique. Let's see, where is, what is this? This isn't what I want. Where's the shader? Wait, what? What the hell is this? Oh, this is just a flash shader. This isn't a dissolve effect. This is what I want, okay. Copy. Paste. Alright. Make unique. Make unique. Here we are. It should have a parameter for fire and UV scale dissolve. Isn't there a parameter? How does it tell when to dissolve? Oh, I think it's drawing from a color. Dissolve amount color.r. Okay, so I can just do uniform float dissolve amount equals 0. There we go. Let's see, I'll just test this. What the hell is that? That's not what I want. It's like faded. What is this? Okay, that's not what I want. Mix amount, fire color, fire start, fire end, feed edge. How do I animate these tentacle things coming out? These are, so they are, each one is a bone joint, so, or it's a bone joint, bone joint, bone joint, and then I just scale it along the Z. So I scale first this one, and then I scale this one out, and then I scale this one out. I can show you in a second. Here, here's the animation player. So, crap. All right, so look here, if you look at the back, nothing, right? And then as I move it out, you can see, yeah, you can see they're squished along the Z. And at the end, these ones are completely flat. And they just extend out. Well, first the base ones extend. And then the second ones extend. And then the third ones extend. And that's the base attack. Yep. That's how it works. It's just messing around with bones. Okay, so this is bothering me. So this should be at, let's have it be at 0.5. You are going to be at 0.5 here. So we're going to test you here. So, dissolve shader. Blend mix, cold disable, depth draw, alpha free. Yeah, that's fine. Spatial, alright, so dissolve texture, let's set the fire start. I don't know, let's give it like a bright yellow or something. And let's give you a bright red. I don't know, whatever, just placeholder. And then mix them out. Okay, so if I just have you, let's sample from the noise texture first. All right, so we got a noise texture. Dissolve texture, yeah, that's fine. Wait, I don't need this, actually, hang on. This would actually be better. I don't want color amount, I want time, maybe? Alright, that's not gonna work. Alright, so we're gonna do float dissolve amount. That's the first thing, right? And actually just let's hide all of this. So we're gonna say that we will set, I'm just gonna sample from this. Alright, so we sample from the dissolve texture, first off. Sample using UV. Alright, and then we're gonna set our albedo to equals that. And I'll probably throw an error because yeah, it's a albedo is a vector 3, that is a vector 4, so we just say RGB. There we go. There we go. Okay, so that gives me the texture, and if I scale it out a shit ton, that's what it's gonna look like, because it's not doing triplanar sampling. Oh, come on, really? Oh, I hate that so much. There we go, come on. There we go. Alright, so shader. So, alright, so you got the tube here. Nah, it's not texture shenanigans, it's just tentacles. That's how I do all the tentacles. I mean, there's another one in the game that comes out of the shotgun. Okay, so then this, I want to round it, right? Let's see, we need to do a range. So that means, let's see, we'll call this float noise sample equals that dot x. So we just want one channel, that's fine. And then we're gonna say, so we get the noise sample, and if I just say alpha equals noise sample, that just makes it kind of transparent. That's lame. So what I want to do is some banding effects. So like, you know what? Let's just be lazy and do an if statement. If noise sample is greater than, I don't know, greater than equal to 0.8, we'll do one thing. Wait, I can't do it like that. I have to put in parentheses because it's shooters. Then we'll do, shut up, come on, give me my code. We're gonna say alpha equals 1.0. And albedo equals fire start color, sure, whatever. Else if the noise sample is greater than 0.2, let's say, and we're going to say alpha equals 0.5, and the albedo, come on, equals fire, what is this? Start color, shut up, RGB. I don't know, fire end color. Oh, thanks for the raid, Armis. How's it going? Fire end color dot RGB, and then otherwise we're just gonna say else alpha equals 0. Sure. There. Okay. Now it's only giving me red, so let's do 4. Okay, that's cutting out of this. Let's say 6. Okay, so now it's gonna be a little more. Should probably blend between them actually. Yeah, it looks pretty bad, but let's see. I could do some banding. That would probably be easier if I just rounded it. let's say, what if I mix the fire start color with the fire end color by noise sample, right? And I just say albedo equals that. And let's just see. I just need to figure out the look I want. Those are pretty ugly colors, but don't I have some like nicer colors in here, right? Oh, I think it's defined in the animation, yeah, okay. So, you, gradient, come on, give me your colors. So it starts off white, and it goes to that. Oh. What are, what is, I have fire particles here, right? And these just emit that. Do those have a flat color? Oh, they do. They're just a texture. Okay. So that means I need to sample this texture, I guess. I wonder where that's sourced. Lower is fire 3. Here we are. Okay, turn these off. So I need this color. So graphics, let's get the start color. Be like one of these. Sure. And the end color. I could sample this easier. Maybe that. Looks pretty horrendous also. But I said alpha. That looks pretty bad. What if I think I should just focus first up on, let's get this to scroll right. So if I say noise, let's see, albedo equals vector 3 with the noise sample. Okay, and let's scale this out to like 30 just so I can view it more clearly. Sup y'all. Okay, so we view this more clearly, and then I can be like, okay, let's do times time, right? What does that look like? What? Oh, plus time, what am I saying? Plus vector 2 time. Can't do that? Oh. Okay. That looks good. I like that. Yeah, it's sufficient speed. I'm okay with that. Then we need to, let's do some banding. So I'm gonna say, I don't know, float band. Float band equals 3. Alright, and then we do, so noise sample equals noise sample times 3 divided by bands, and then we round that. There, that gives me more solid colors. Let's up that to like 8. Doesn't do much. No. What if I, instead of scaling this out, I could say this, your height equals 20, and then I scale it to be, on the Y to be like 0.1, let's see what's happening, 0.05 would be one, there we are. Does that give me better UVs, or does that just not affect anything? I don't think that affected anything. That's annoying. Yeah, that did nothing. You'd think they'd make that affect the UV somehow. I guess not. Maybe I could like just automatically squish it through the texture or something. Let's see, shader. If I don't know, so we got this. What if I just like, I don't know, said, I multiply, so we're adding this. What if I said, vec2 uv.x and then uv.y, and then the uv.y was like times 0.1. That's not what I want. Times 10. Okay, that's more like it. Yeah, that's more like it. I mean, it looks bad there, but whatever. That's not the part you're gonna really see that much. What if I did a capsule instead, actually? Oh, that might not scale well, though. That probably wouldn't look as cool scaling. Yeah, that's fine. I'll just go with that. And then we can do time times 2 times 1.5. Yeah, that looks good. That already looks like an inferno almost. Okay, so then I just say alpha equals step, what is this, noise sample, I think, and then I say like 0.5. Let's see if that works. Oh yeah, that already looks pretty cool. Okay, and then I have, let's tone down the speed here real quick. Yeah, basically a beam attack-ish. What if I just didn't even do the rounding? What? Oops, not that. Okay, you can't comment. Yeah, I mean, it looks fine without it. Oh, that looks terrible. 8, 7, 6. Maybe 6 works. I don't know. Or 5.55. Yeah, that seems fine. Okay. Yeah, it's like going to be a flame beam coming out of the pyrofly because its current attack is pretty lame, so I want to make it cooler. Okay, so editing that. Okay, so alpha looks good. Now we got the albedo. So for this, I'm going to go from, I need to do a mix. So I'm going to say mix fire start color to fire end color using noise. Oh, literally the previous line. I could have just copied that. RGB. And that looks pretty lame, but let's see if I tweak the colors. Let's say just set that to white. And I set this to like a bright red. And let's add a value like because this is going to need to be higher. No, what am I doing? Plus 0.5, let's say. So that way it gives me a little more of that end color. So it's not just going to, oh, let's see, hang on. So we're going to say float step, alpha step. Just define it, and I can use it in both spots. Perfect, okay. It's kind of a harsh red. Now, how does this look amidst fire particles? Oh, that looks terrible. Maybe I need to do unlit also. That would be good. Unshaded, we'll say. There. Need some more orange though, for sure. Like, I want these colors, but I can't really select them. Oh, maybe I should say additive too. How do I say additive? Where's the, oh, blend add here. There we go. Ah, yeah, that's more like it. Okay. So I like want that orange. Wish I could just like pause. So. Oh, will you be able to see this against sand though? If it's additive. Stream volume is super low. Like my volume, or maybe it's because I'm just far away. I can just turn up my gain. Is that better? This my microphone is like far here. It doesn't reach over this table. Maybe I should just move it to a different spot. I could like fit it over there probably. let's see. I just push this over a little bit. Fit. Okay. Oh, but then it might block my chair. Okay. Go here. Then I go here, and then I loosen this. Tighten it back up. I don't think. Can this go in anymore? Oh, it does. It goes back. There. And then it's right next to me. Maybe it's a little annoying positioning though. I don't know. Let's see. You can always reconnect it and stuff later. All right. All right. How's that for volume? Is that better? Just, yeah, that way I can just rotate it. It's out of the way. It's there. And I can always move it closer. That seems a little better. It just is rubbing against the table a little bit. I can shift things around later. All right. All right, here we are. Yeah, how is that for volume? Or do I just need to talk louder? Sounds good, okay. Should I get to select that? Okay, we're just gonna have to eyeball this, I guess. Okay, go to here. I need a more orangey red. Yeah, like that. And this one I think could be more white. I think that's good. It's just hard to figure out. Maybe I need to make a lower resolution. Yeah, maybe that's fine. What happens if I add shading back in? That looks, yeah, pretty bad. Other than the moving around part, yeah, this is way better. What do you mean? Oh, like the audio, I see, is better. Cool. It's a little jank setup. Maybe I should get my desk mic back, but I don't want to deal with that. Yeah, I won't be able to raise my desk up like this. Okay, so we have you here, right? What is my scale reference? Is set to that. Reset. All right, turn you off. What? No, not you. Wait. Oh, this. Why is that over there? Oh, I copied it. That's why. I don't need that. Okay, well, let's try you out now. And oh, that looks dumb. Yeah, the front part looks pretty stupid. And it needs to like dissolve in, I think. All right, let's switch it over to a capsule, because that looks stupid. Copy this just in case it deletes it, because it does that sometimes. There's capsule mesh. No, it didn't. Okay, good. Why are you flattened? Oh, it's flipped, I see. Right, and if I scale this out, what happens? Yeah, it goes backwards, which I don't want. And if I scale you out, scale reference. So it's in the middle of this. Let's see, right. Yeah, right there. So I need you to come back. There. Scale ref. Yeah, that looks a lot cooler. Definitely looks cooler. And you should have less of a radius, maybe. And wait, why did it? Hang on, scale that back down. Oh, I see. This needs to be scaled in. Height, not the problem. Go down to 0.5. Move it in. I think that aligns it. It's hard to tell. No, I think it's not aligned. There, now it is. Okay, so if I bring, now I scale you out, it looks pretty cool. Yeah, I think that looks pretty good. Looks a lot better from the front too. I'll widen it a bit. Yeah, okay. The problem though is it just appears, which looks really dumb. Oh, well, let's see how it looks in game. Why is it locking onto me? What's wrong with that code? It just like, it slowly moves and then when it gets to you, it's just like instantly there. That, yeah, it just looks dumb. Oh, it's like instant. It needs like some delay or some lag or, oh no. Maybe just that code isn't very good. 'Cause it needs to, maybe I need to do like aim code or something like, no, that wouldn't work. The lead shot aiming that would be stupid. Needs like velocity or something. Also, I think its extend speed is stupid. I could play an animation or something that, oh, but then I have to use a unique thing for everyone. Oh, but I could scale it from like nothing. Okay, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna say, we'll do a new animation called fade in, and we're gonna say your scale. We're gonna start from whatever you are at, duplicate, and we're going to say you start at like 0.01 or something, and we're gonna take, yeah, so we'll take like 0.2 seconds, and we'll just play that. Yeah, okay, and then we're gonna get that animation player. When we call enable fire, where is it? Enable fire, play fade in. There we are. That should work. Finish this week, DMAC. Yeah, I mean wrapping up Rotflesh for this update. Like everything I need to do, short of getting a QA person, right? Why is it playing that? It should only play it once. Alright, I need to get reference to this. Alright, so we have this, and yeah, and we got the play, and then we do this. But it's playing it. it's like overriding it. So I need to do fire to animation player. Dot current animation fade in. Or if it's not that, then we do this. I think. I don't know. Let's see if it does it this time. Yeah, it's still doing it. Okay. So that's fucking useless. So now what we need to do is animation played. Played equals false. If that, then equals true. There. And let's bring this over to what's up, PG Gorley? Alright. You're going, come on. Come and shoot me. Okay, there. So now it like went in. Now it's like moving around and it sucks. It's lame. Yeah, helper rules. It's annoying because it doesn't feel right. It doesn't feel clean and efficient, but then you do it and it works. So you're like, alright, whatever. I need there to be some like something cooler for that. Like it just feels wrong. I don't know, the way it looks is wrong. Like I don't know. What if you just have to use cover? What if I just say, yeah, it goes really fast and you have to use cover? So I'm like, all right, give it a 50 turn speed. Just a thing you have to deal with. Full page of bulls. Oh my god. And its extend speed needs to go faster. Why is... God, it just looks weird though. Increase rate, let's say 30. You go 3 times faster. Oh, that's way too fast, goddamn. $20 maybe? Just 2 times as fast, probably better. Animation curve? I don't really have an animation curve, it's just, I mean, increases in a buffer. It's the aiming that's the problem. See, I want it to like not aim like that. Like, you should aim at the spot. Maybe I should lerp to the position you're supposed to aim at. So let's see, target position. And then I could just have it like lerp or something. Let's see, target position is here, right? And then I could do like var aim at position or something. At position. So when we do this, we're gonna say make sure this is valid, and then we're just gonna say there. Okay, so then we're gonna do, we get the target position, we get the aim at position. We're gonna say U to aim at that. And then we're gonna say aim at position equals dot linear interpolate to target position by 0, 1. Right, and then there should be some like lag to it, some better feel. I feel like it needs some like particles on there too, but I don't know. Okay, it's not doing what I want. What if I delay it by a ton? Oh, I should use delta there actually. Right. Let's say delta times 1. start with that. All right, so come at me. Okay. Oh, I see what I'm doing wrong here. This should be plus change buffer. There we go, that's what I was doing wrong. Let's increase this by 3 times. Close but no cigar, yeah. I will have to do some kind of particle effects. Maybe I could adjust the lifespan. Okay, there we go, that feels better. Now I can actually dodge it. It's like a little faster, but yeah, it feels a little more interesting. So it's like, okay, there's a flame and then it's like coming after me. Okay. I don't like that okay, I do need to do a fade out animation, that's for sure, because that looks bad. Okay, so I need a fade out animation. Probably should do something with like a sound player. I don't know. At the end, there's like flame sounds. Let's do that. Let's see, fire sound. Let's put you here. Graphics. Let's drop you. Right. Not there. Let's see. Right. The 1.5 really. Okay. Well, actually not there. Let's put you 0.5. There we go. And animation player. Let's do duplicate, rename, fade out, and flip these. So yeah, that works. Okay. Why is the music stopped? Yes, shut the fuck up, YouTube. I am still here. All right. So we got that. And then, so when we get to the last little bit of the animation, we're just gonna play that. Why don't we play disable fire? Instead of hiding that, instead of hiding this, I should just be this. Play fade out. I think this only gets called once, so it might just work as it is. Fade in, so where is this? Graphics, you, not you. You, visible, true, fade out, visible, false. Put you at the end, and just make sure you are visible at the beginning. Okay, and the animation should play. Play fade in, play fade out. Okay. Hey Egrets, how's it going? Oh, what is this shit? Okay, if that and that, there we go. We'll just make sure it exists. I hate how ready doesn't call before everything else. Like it should just, oh my god. If that, shut up, work. If null. Okay, now attack me, and it should hide. Okay, it's going, and I can't, oh no, it's of course repeating that. Alright, fire animation play, let's do, that's the fade in one, so I'll have to do 2. Okay, let's see, fire. Let's replace that with fade in. Replace all, okay, and then we do fade out one, and fade out. And go down here, and we just say, and that has not been played, and then we say that it has been played. Alright, raided me a while back. Yeah, I vaguely remember raiding you. How's it going? Thanks for the raid. Oh wait, no, you didn't raid, you're just hanging out. Okay, let's see, I'm a little preoccupied. Okay, so that's working, that's cool. And I think the fade in animation worked, I wasn't looking. Let's see. Okay, so fades in, fades, come on now, fade out. Okay, that's cool. All right, that works, great. Now I want to try adding particles. Let's see how that works. So we got these ones, and if I put them on this here, and I say this, but instead of that, I want to drawing. We're going to give you a different shape. Make unique. Mission shape. Can I do a cylinder? Oh, I'll just do a point, and then I just have it. The direction, remove all spread, or maybe like make it really small. Okay, that's kind of cool actually. The problem is, how do I make it? Okay, so oh man, this scale is huge. So I can have that to adjust the range. Actually looks really cool. Sublady motion. Okay, so that gives me the range. So I'll need some kind of calculation to see. I don't know how this is gonna work. What am I doing? Scale needs to be less and needs to fit at around this. Actually, how is that? If I scale out this, oh, wait, that will scale with it? Oh, I didn't know you could scale particle effects. That's cool. Okay, so I just need to make that match up first off. So fire particles, let's have it initial velocity, let's drop it down to like 1. I don't know, let's see how that works. And then I scale this out to like 30. Oh, it just scales the particles. Oh, that sucks. Damn, okay, I'll have to do something different then. And I'm going to have to make it tube reference. We'll put another remote transform, except this one will go to the tube fire particles, and it's going to only do rotation. Yeah, okay. Tube fire particles, there. Okay, so now these should not have any scale on them, right? No scale. No, I want the rotation, right? I think. Hang on. Let's see. So I scale this out to, let's say, 30. So it gives me that tube. Then I'm like, sort of flamethrower weapon from an enemy, basically. So we have this. This, oh god, I'm gonna have to, yeah, make this really large, aren't I? The rendering bounds. Okay, so we have this. Set the initial velocity to 70. You need to be rotated to, whoa, what is going on? Why is it like locked like that? Why is this rotated weird? Huh. Well, let's rotate by 90 on the Z. No. 90 on X, I think. That went all the way around. Why did that go all the way around? This one. Weird. That's okay, there's something wrong here, but I don't know what. This is like setting something. And this is, I don't know, they're like both being set. Yeah, this is weird. I don't know if something's wrong here. Okay, let's just delete you. There, okay. Why is your rendering bounds wrong again? Oh, it's not even, I don't want local. Drawing should be not local coordinates. Yeah, there. Now it'll actually give me like a flame effect. Also, velocity should be like significantly higher. 300. Or I could do rendering speed, I guess, to make it go faster. Or, yeah, render speed. Speed scale, that's what I'm thinking. And I'll go a little faster. Alright, so how do I make this match that thing? So I got my speed, so I can go to here. It seems like it's a little larger though. So I should turn the scale down. Let's turn it down to like, yeah, that looks pretty good. So right there. So when it's at, let's see, when this scale is at 1, this should have a speed of, let's see, this should have a speed or a lifetime of let's say 0.01. No, that's not enough for anything to show. 0.05. All right, let's say 0.5. And then, all right, so 0.05. And when this is at a scale of 30, this should be at 0.5. No, that's ending right there, so that would be 0.3 maybe. It's like in between. Actually, I should probably do, I think the max range was like 80 or something, so let's go out to that and see what it looks like. So I get out to 1, that might just about be it. 1.1. Okay, yeah, I think I'm okay with that. So based on the scale, we'll set the lifetime to start at 0.05 and end at that. So I'll say, yeah, emitting if it's fire's on, okay. There we are. All right, and then we get down to when we enable the fire. Here we do fire two particles dot emitting equals true. Oh, but this is set in the ready. I think it's not going to work. This, yeah, it is. Okay, so I'm just going to put an if statement. So I don't want to deal with that. All right, so there it's emitting and then it's not emitting, and then when we get the scale, if we are at, I don't know, what's the scale at? Let's see. Where is our scale? There. All right, so we have fire tube scale. So if that 80, we're gonna do 1.1, and we clamp to 0.05, I think, or it doesn't even matter. We'll clamp to 0. It's not gonna hurt anything. So fire tube particles dot lifetime equals 1.1 is okay. So 1.1 times fire tube scale divided by 80, I think. So that's at 80. Okay, so the scale's at 80. Then this gives me 1, so that gives me 1.1 lifetime. So that should work, I think. Let's see how this looks. Or if it just crashes. Yeah, I didn't hide that, that's fine. Oh, I never had it. Yeah, I didn't set it up to be aligned. That's right. Oh, come on, where's my test? So this could, because I'm not scaling it, I could just put it in here. Why don't I just do that? There. I don't have to worry about aligning it using a remote transform, which shouldn't seem to work well. This is not the scene I want. Set up. Let's see. Might need to make the speed more. Okay, that looks pretty cool. Might need to make it have a higher velocity though. But I don't know, that looks pretty cool. I think it looks like flame. Yeah, that's pretty good. I think I'm happy with that. So it's not playing the fire sound though right now, which is weird. Maybe I have sound effects turned off and I didn't add the fire to the right channel. No, it's in the right bus. Or I didn't add the alert sound. And that's right. Let's see. Maybe I'm just not playing it and I forgot. Okay, so yeah, I need to make sure these play. Let's see, fire sound. Why don't I just make so this has a value tracking it instead of, let's see, fire enabled equals false, and then I just say return. That way it doesn't run more than once. It's like I don't have to have all these pools. Okay, there we are. Yeah, then I don't need this, pretty sure. Fire sound, play, yes. Stop. No, come on, give me the other one. There's another one, there. No, it's not. This, stop, copy, paste, there. Now it should run. Right. Well, I like having the tube shader there because it very clearly communicates where the hitbox is, right? Because sometimes if you're running fast enough, I feel like you can't actually see it. Maybe. Yeah, well, you know, let's try it. All right, let's try it. Let's hide this and this, and let's hide. Where are you? Fire particles. You will. Oh, wrong ones. You not emit. Hide. There we are. Oh, I think the reset animation might need to be off. Yeah. Okay. Wait, why is that on? Okay, good, it's gone. Alright, come down. Hey, there we go. That? Okay, I'm pretty cool. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I am pretty cool too. But I'm down with this. Will it set this barrel on fire? I can't remember. No, I don't think flame does. Maybe it does. Yeah, that's pretty cool. I like that. I thought it would set the barrel on fire, but I guess I never programmed that. Yeah, that's pretty good. Could make it go a little faster, maybe. Why is it still showing this theme, though? Okay, there we go. That's good. Let's set the scale reference to be down to 0. What am I forgetting? Oh yeah, make it aim a little faster. Didn't I? Oh, linear totally. That's what. Here we are. Let's see, aim speed maybe. Or fire aim speed equals 3. Then I can just be like, let's set this to 5 and see what happens. Oh yeah, that feels more dangerous. It's quicker chasing you. I like that. What if I jump it to 10? Wait, did I even... Hang on. Is it just not updating when I change any code? No, it is. Okay, good. All right. I just realized this music is not loud. Let me know if that's too loud. Yeah, there we go. That looks great. Now it's an actual game. Alright, let's see, where's... I have one scene in the game I want to check out now. I think there's some other stuff I need to fix though, but let's see how this works. Normal, alright. Yeah, that looks bad. The shadows stutter a lot. I need to fix these meshes, like, yet again. Alright, so what happens if I fight 3? Okay. They're clipping through the terrain here because the mesh glitch, but wow, I move really slow. I forgot how slow I move in the regular game. Alright, I'm gonna have to make their aim speed lower because this is bad. Yeah, I'm gonna need to make them aim slower. Oh, now they're fighting an NPC over there. That's funny. And there's one stuck in the terrain there. All right, yeah, I gotta fix those meshes. Put that on my to-do. Alright, let's see. So, make them aim slower. Let's turn down, I think I have a speed override on. Yeah, let's turn it down to like 6 or so. I think that's actually pretty high for like the starting area. On left, yeah, because this gives 1.5. So if you had 3, you'd have 4.5, which is actually pretty high. So let's put it at 4. Let's say 4, and then we're going to change your aim speed to be, let's put it back at 3 and see how that works. What the fuck? Why is it so slow? Okay, something's wrong there. Maybe because there's the base speed. Now let me see what my speed was in that. I might have this wrong if I have the override broken. Oh, it's 18. Why is it 18 here? What do I have? That's gonna be 1.5. 1.5, 1. Oh, and then I have 3 there. Oh, so my base stat was 12, and then I added... Okay, so I got to 18 from that. Alright, that's not bad. It's just hard to avoid them, I think, when there's more. Especially when they're like landing close to you. Alright, yeah, when it's just one, it's not a problem, but I think when there's multiple, that's the issue. Alright, let's save this. I think that's good. Happy with that. Beam attack. There we go. Alright. Check that off the list. Buff Pyroflies is done. Now I need to buff the Frox. Alright, so test world. So Pyrofly, get rid of you. Next up. I'm gonna work on this. I'm gonna take a quick movement break here. So check this out. If I turn my monitor, you can see I have, oh, this is blocking it. I have a pull-up bar. Hang on, maybe I'll put it on my other monitor. Yeah. There, okay. I have a man, this annoying setup here. Okay, you can't see the whole thing. There, I have a pull-up bar. All right, I'm gonna do 10 pull-ups. Take a break. Break over. Actually, I gotta run to the bathroom real quick. I'm trying to like have a gym set up next to where I work so I can just step over and do some exercise throughout the day. All right, bathroom break really quick. Go do your push-up, skeleton. Alright, I'm back. Yeah. Let's do this. Alright, so the Frox here, this enemy is pretty boring. Where are you? Wait, where did I just put this? Oh, I added it to the scene, I just didn't. Okay. There you are. Okay. It's a little stuck. Oh, I think because I didn't generate a nav mesh here. So it jumps, it fucks up and doesn't charge. So it jumps and it charges, and it's like, I don't know, it kind of works. And if it hits a wall, it shoots acid behind it. I'm wondering if I should just have it spray acid down just the whole time whenever it charges. You'd have it charge, spray acid. That way there's like a track on the ground. And also I could have it do it when it's in the air. Let's just do that. I think that's simple enough. So we have an acid spawner, right? Acid is in here. Acid projectile emitter. Spray emitter. So we have the spray emitter. Spray. Oh, I don't have a reference to that, so that must be done from an animation. So I could just get a reference to the already var. Come on, autocomplete. You can do it. Oh my god. Alright, give me the path. Copy node path. Oh, there it is. Oh, it's set here. Okay, that's good. Alright, get nodes. Sets the speeds, sets the damage, all this stuff I don't care about. Okay. So, when we charge, let's see. Process charge state. Alright, so I want it to just spray acid in charge state, we'll say. Spray acid in jump state. You know what? What if I just had another one? Nah, that's fine. Wait, hang on. How is this done here? Acid emitter. Spawn acid. How is this called? Shoot acid. Spawn acid. That just says fire. Oh, I see. Okay, so I just want this one. Acid. Already var single acid emitter equals. There we are. And this one's just going to shoot straight down. Alright, I think it goes that way, right? Let's see. I forget which way is forward here. Okay, so it's... oh, so it's opposite of Z. Right, okay. So this way. We need to do the same thing for single. Alright, so set all its values. Yeah, that's fine. And then when we're in the state, we're just going to process charge state. I don't know. Var spray acid rate equals, let's say 0.1 every 0.1 second. We're gonna do this. Spray acid time equals this. We're gonna say plus equals delta if it is greater than spray acid rate. It's equals 0, and we're gonna say single acid emitter dot fire, I think. Yeah. So that way in the process state, or in the charge state, it should automatically do all that. Let's just confirm it works. What the fuck? Oh, this shit. Okay, a single acid emitter equals, there we are, and we'll just set you there, and then I want to deal with this. Enemy trouble getting up slopes, need to go start Movement code, wondering if you ever ran into the same issues. I think I tweeted what my code was. This is like bugged because of the, yeah, because of the nav mesh, I think. I don't want you to jump, I want you to charge, come on. There we go, okay, so drops acid behind it. Nice, alright, that's better. Now for the jump. So I can just show you real quick. Player, character, mover. I think this is where it is. Where is it? I mean, I have a shit ton of code, but velocity, move and slide with snap, velocity, plus knockback, velocity, snap vector. Or are you saying for the other, let's see, AI character mover? What do I do? Here we are. So they're not being knocked back. So if they're on the ground and we're using physics, that's something else, ignore that. But we just see velocity. I just do move and slide, velocity, vector up, true. I forget what that is. I forget what that is. What is this? Infinite inertia is false. Floor max angle is the default. Max slide's default. Stop on slope is true. It's false by default. Up direction, just vector 3 dot up. Yeah, I mean the main thing is I just turn off stop on slope. I also have my AI like tend to just like randomly jump a lot, or the humanoid ones, they just jump every like few seconds just as part of their behavior for dodging and stuff. But that might also be helping them to go up slopes, because all my other stuff behaves weirdly and has like charges and stuff, makes them move fast. Alright, so if we're in the let's see, process charge state. Alright, so we're gonna copy this. Oh, and we should set that to be 0. And we're gonna, so copy this, go to jump state. And we want spray acid rate. I could just use that actually. Yeah, let's just use the same variables. That's totally fine. Process charge state. I can just get this. And yeah, that literally I can just copy it exactly. Alright, come on. Jump. There we go. It's a little weird, but yeah, it is broken here. I don't know, I might have to check the actual game. I might have changed something else to like as a performance thing, and then it broke it. Oh, I know what I did. Okay, hang on. Frogs, give me your idle state. Yep, okay, so if it's frozen, alright, so this should just be outside. This does not have a performance cost, really. It doesn't need to be outside of that, or inside of that. Check. It's not facing me. Why isn't it facing me? Exit state, unfreeze, yeah, that's all there. Why is it not facing me? That's not the problem. Let's see. If I can see any target, and it's yeah, where's alert? Maybe that's in here. Okay, so alert, whatever. What state's going to process charge? It preps something. Oh, I see. Okay, so it's here. It should be right here. So why isn't it? Let's just see. It should be like right here. Or maybe it's not able to get there, and that's why. No, it is. Alright, so it's like a few frames it's there, but then it can't. Oh, I need to have a reference to the target. I see. When I alert it, I need to say there's a target. Okay, that's the problem. Wait, why did it just stay in here for a few frames? That should be like constantly running. Is it? Maybe it's going to here. That's what the problem is. Yeah, that's what the problem is. Okay, so it's not being able to see a target. So and this is not getting called anywhere. So when this gets called, I need to set, no, set, where is this? Choose visible target, set. This is getting called, right? All right, so this process prep to charge state, we're just saying, okay, I don't want to do that. So let's go back. Does that get run first off? Actually, oh, even easier, I could just choose a target instead of having to run movement code, yeah. Okay, so we're gonna go to, don't choose a visible target, just choose any target. There we go, okay, that fixed it. I don't know why I got stuck though. Yeah, now it's changing the battlefield so there's stuff on the ground that'll hurt you. That's cool. And I think acid should hurt you a lot. More than fire, maybe? Acid damage rate, let's make it do 2. Alright, so I think that's good. We will go with that. Get command action procs mechanics. It makes it drop acid when it attacks. Okay. 4:30. How long have I been online? What time is it? Why is it not telling? Oh, 2 hours. I guess I should do a little more. I'm kind of hungry though. Okay, maybe I'll grab something to eat and then I can work on the next thing. So buff rocks is done. Then I want to work on the choir AI. All right, I'm going to be right back because I just need to grab something to eat. Alright, I'm back. I made a almond milk banana milkshake with peanut butter. What's up, Zoo here? How's it going? I should do more pull-ups. Hang on. Pull-up break, real quick. All right, back to it. So, choir. Alright, so this kind of like doesn't act in an interesting way to fight. I need to, test it and see what's wrong. I think it needs to stop when it's closer to you, when it's in like... This is called the choir. See all the mouths on it? It's also radioactive. Wait. Oh, I'm not invulnerable. Right, I turned that off. I forgot. Okay, wait. This feels actually kind of fun. Okay, so I'm like out of range, whatever. Oh, okay, so that's the problem. Is it's charging, but it's stopping when it's far away. Also, wow, it does not take a lot of damage. It is singing, so it's called the choir. See? It's got mouths. It's a whole choir. So its health. Let's put up to 300. Come on. Numlock. Useless button. Alright. Probably has use. More health. Let's make it stop farther away. Enemy attack. Minimum shoot range. Where is this used? If distance target is within the minimum shoot range in the time it attack. What? Oh, I see. Okay, that's the only time it's used. Alright, so if it's in the charge state, I don't know. I might just leave it. I'm kind of feeling too lazy to change this. Alright, if it's... So, process charge state, if it's greater than charge time. Yeah, so that's reset if it's greater than charge time. If it's greater than 1. Wait, what is this? It switches to shoot state. If it's been in this attack state for more than 1 second. Alright, I think this is where the issue is. Save for more than a second. Hit the forward. Direction of the target. Dot it. With the direction of the target, dot it if it's less than 0.3. No, let's do -1. Let's just see if it's less than 0. It gets past us or something. Wait, actually, let's see. Alright, so it's being in a charge state and it's passed by us. And it's within a certain range. Let's see. If distance to target. Yeah, okay. If it's this and distance to target is less than the shoot range. Then we check if we've run past. Otherwise, ignore. I don't give a shit. Okay, that looks good. I think this would be funner to fight if there's some enemies around. Okay. Oops, okay, that killed me. It's good enough. I'm happy. I don't know. Didn't give me any issues that time. Acquire. Good enough. Okay, so how do I pull data from GitHub that I don't have? I forget how to do this. I don't think I've literally ever done this also, so. What the hell is this? Oh, somebody subscribed, I don't care. Oh yeah, I have these Godot performance tests. Are anyone using them? Oh, it quits after. Interesting. People are actually using this? Wow, it's got 39 stars, huh? That's cool. Who's this? Oh yeah, I forgot about all these things. This is a waste. I don't even know why I put this here. I guess I don't know, it was just like a curiosity thing. Okay, yeah, that's fine. We're doing, what was I just doing? Oh yeah, I want to go see repositories here, and Brogan commit something? How do I see that? Master chasm 4 days ago, Molar merge puller. Oh, I see. Okay, so I need to pull let's see, git check out a branch, right? How do I do this? Alright, use git cd repo name git branch. Okay, so I can do git branch a. Okay, so we have these, okay. Git check out chasm. Okay, and then I do branch confirm. Yep, I'm there. Okay, and then I just, does that just automatically work? And now I'm here? I probably should have closed the scene first. Okay. Oh wait. Whatever, that's fine. Let's just reload this. I don't know what's wrong. Oh, okay, I'm tired of that. Let's do something else. Okay, we're gonna go to this level. Let's try it out. Wow, that's really loud. Alright, so this is what Brogan Hackett has been working on. I hired her to do some work. This is a rough setup. Okay, so we got these. Also, that doesn't let you. Okay, that's cool. So we're here. That sends you forward. These send you up. Yes. So I can go over here. Man, I move slow right now. I think those are some test things. Oh, this might just be the original test level. Actually, I don't think this is actually a playable thing. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is just a test level. Alright. What is this really it? Hang on. I know there's I want to just like run around the test level and try to figure out what I'm supposed to do. Yeah, I know there's like new enemies and stuff, so I'm like, maybe I'm in the wrong branch. Where do I get to it? Alright, so we have slide test. Yep. What is this? Oh, maybe it's over here. Ah, here we are. Okay. Yeah, okay. So this is, I think, where it's... Or is this a different spot? Well, these meshes are double-sided. Yeah, this was the original test area. Remember? These were the houses. I feel like I'm in the wrong scene right now. Hang on. What did Brogan say? Maybe it's in a different environment. Brogan. Okay, so environment views. Where? Terrain. Yeah, I'm definitely in the wrong scene. I can't find where I'm supposed to go. Let's see, check the commit logs maybe. Oh, yeah, I don't care about that. Commit logs, where is this? What's being changed? Program environment levels, yeah. Weird, I can't. Maybe I'm checking out the wrong. Yeah, I'll have to message and see what I'm missing. So I think I'm pretty sure I'm missing something here. Where is, maybe it's in a test world or something? Whoa. Oh, that's funny. There's a render limit on the gizmos. It's actually rendered in scene as 3D objects. It's funny. Oh, Brogan is pushing it. Subbed on YouTube. Thanks, Redstone Pro. How am I moving around the scene? Oh, so here's what you do. Sorry, I wasn't looking at chat at the second. You right click, you look around, and then you use WASD. You can use Q and E to go up and down, and use scroll wheel to move faster or slower. You can see the speed on the left there. It's really handy. seeing how open it is. If I had like some vehicles, this would be fun. Yeah, it'd be fun to have a scene like this. Yeah, I forget how I learned about this. I forget if somebody like mentioned it to me, or it was just like I might have figured. I think I just looked for first-person flying mode. I know Blender has it too, but it's different controls. All right, well that's not ready yet, so I'm going to not. Can't work that. Bunch of random errors. Whatever. Anything else I want to look at right now? Nah, I think I'm gonna stop there. I'm feeling done. Let's go find someone to raid. I got some good work done. So I did, what did I do today? I'm on the wrong branch. I did the Frogs, the Firefly, and the Choir. So now I just need to do tomorrow. I guess I'm gonna be streaming tomorrow, so I'll work on testing the quest things. Wednesday, when I'm streaming, I'm probably gonna work on the boss fights and make those better. I also want to mess with the Terrorworm fight more and make that better. Don't forget to check out the branch. Yeah, I should, I guess. Let's see, check out master. Please commit them. I don't want to commit them. Fuck you. How do I do stash? And then I never look at it again. Okay, there we go. Close. I don't want you open. Fine, I will reload because I have to. It's like I wish there was just a quick like ignore button. It's like, oh, you can't do that because you have changes you haven't saved, and it's like I don't want to save those changes. Just let me like force override. And there's no like quick easy way to do that ever. Yes, reload. Okay. Alright, so we're back to where we were. So I worked on that. I should do this. Maybe I'll do that tomorrow when I do this stuff. So that's tomorrow. I'm gonna do that tomorrow. This will be for stream. I could make more achievements on stream, maybe. Do achievement art, that might be fun. This is like my errors that I don't care about section. This is all stuff I'm not going to fix. That I'm okay with it being broken, I've decided. Okay, so I fix all this tomorrow. No, I'm not gonna do that. I could, but I don't want to. I could actually, I could very easily do that. Sure, why not? Yeah, let's do that. So alright, this I can do tomorrow, pretty sure. No problem. This will be on stream on Wednesday. This will be on stream on Friday. In between, maybe I could look at these bugs on Thursday. When is the next 4 devs 1 art kit? I have no idea. I haven't. It's so much work to do those, and I'm just so busy with like making my game, and I'm just like, I don't want to. Who's this? I haven't seen you before. I'm just so busy with like making my game right now. I don't want to deal with. Oh, huh? They're not using the game dev tag. Yeah, I just want to focus on making games and like not dealing with stuff. And streaming game development. Which now, wow, I've literally never seen this person before. Indie horror dev, who are you? Games. Note YouTube. I watch Stranger Things. What? Why is it? Dude. There we go. Okay. Please enter a valid date. 1900. That's a valid date. Wow. Damn. Lots of positive reviews. Wait, have I seen this? No, I haven't seen this game before. That's cool. Think of you the next time. Oh, not recommend. Look at that. I love when you see a game with a ton of reviews and you scroll down the first thing, not recommended 10 hours on record. Why is it $4.99? Just put 5 so I can buy stuff from other games. Like I went to buy RX Cells and I'm 1 cent off, so I just want to rant. They don't get to choose. You don't get to choose on Steam. It's like, I don't get to choose if it's a flat $5 or what. That's funny. 1 cent off. Wait, that's weird. Why would it? RX sells. Wait, does that have a flat $5 fee? I don't know what that is. Okay. Oh, maybe it's an in-game thing or something. I'm just dumb. Alright, let's go read this person. Have a good day, everybody. I certainly will. What time is it? 5 o'clock. Man, this looks like it's gonna rain. Florida is like constantly raining here. Alright, goodbye, everyone. Goodbye and good riddance.